stop right there. You just need to see this. There is a new AI which is just launched and it's 100% free. This isn't just another chatbot. Microsoft Copilot can think, search the web, help with the projects, and even assist you like a personal AI assistant. So let's deep dive into its cool features. So the first one is AI generated images. So if you need a crazy thumbnail, a futuristic city, or a cop playing guitar in a space, Copilot can make it happen instantly. This AI can generate unique and wild images at the click of a button. So let's talk about the second amazing feature of Copilot, and its live web search. It searches the web live. That means no more outdated info. It pulls up the latest, most relevant data in real time. Want to know what's trending in tech right now? Copilot's got you. So let's talk about the third and most amazing feature, which is AI workspace Copilot pages. Here is something amazing, Copilot pages. This tool lets you work directly with the AI. No need to flip between apps. Just type in your data and it can turn it into your full plan. Like I asked it to create a YouTube video script and bam, full plan ready to go. Got a huge file like a 10 pages contract. Copilot can summarize it into just one paragraph. It reads, understands, and makes complex info easy to digest. It's like having a personal assistant that's smarter than me. So let's talk about another unique feature of the Copilot, which is location awareness. Need something local? Copilot uses Bing's location features to offer recommendations based on your area. Whether it's finding a restaurant, planning a trip, or getting advice, it's tailored to where you live. Everyone is curious about their privacy, so Copilot brings the most unique and amazing feature, which is privacy. Microsoft values your privacy. Unlike other AIs, Copilot and Bing don't track you. They use your data to help you, not sell it. You get full control over what's shared, so you don't have to worry about your privacy with Microsoft approach. So guys, let me give you my final thoughts about Microsoft Copilot, which is 100% free and it's easy to use. It has a lot of features like web search, location awareness, and personal AI assistant. So if you like my videos, drop a comment, subscribe to my channel. See you in next video.